My dear all, for this video, I will discuss about MCQ. Chapter name is Discovering Search and the saga continues. My dear all, if you are not getting my notification whenever I upload the video, so you have to first subscribe my channel so that you can get notification whenever I will upload the video, and after that you can watch. No. First question is, what was Tutankhamun? Again I repeat, who was Tutankhamun? A geologist, a scientist, an Egyptian king, a historian? Correct answer is C, an Egyptian king. When did Tut die? When he was a teenager, when he was old, when he was in middle age, when he was a child. Correct option is A, in the age of teenager. Who discovered Tut's tomb and when? Adam Cooper in 1901, Howard Carter in 1922, Howard Carter in 1930, Sam Shaw in 1890. Correct answer is A, not A. Correct answer is B, Howard Carter in 1922, not 1901. Now, when was Tut's body taken for CT scan after being found? Correct answer is after 80 years. B. For how many years did Amenhotep III rule Egypt? 5 years, 20 years, 10 years, 40 years. Correct answer is D, 40 years. Who promoted the worship of Aten, the sun disk? Aten, the sun disk. There are four options, and correct option is C, Amenhotep IV. What name did Amenhotep IV change to? Correct answer is C, Akhenaten. For how many years did Tutankhamun rule Egypt? H. A. 9 years. What was found with Tutankhamun's body? 9. Correct answer is D. Gold, wealth, bronze, treasure, games, clothes, cases of foods, and wine. This is James. How would you describe Tut's tomb? There are four options. Correct option is D. Rock cut 26 feet underground with had wall paintings. What was in the first coffin? No. Correct answer is A. Garlands of olives, lotus petals, and cornflowers. Why did the third coffin put Carter in trouble? Correct answer is B. The resins used to cement Tut to the bottom of the solid gold coffin, which was hardened enough. How did Carter remove the resins? Correct answer is A. With the help of chisel and hammer. How did Carter cut the body of Tut? Correct answer is A. First head and then every limb. What did Carter and his men do after cutting down his body? When Carter cut the body of Tut, then what did? Good question. Correct answer is C. They placed it on the layer of sand in a wooden box. When was the mummy examined in X-ray by the anatomy professor? Correct answer is C. In 1968. In 1968. What facts were revealed when the mummy was X-rayed in 1968? C. His breastbone and front ribs were missing. When was Ted's body taken for CT scan in the 21st century? A. January 5th, 2009. What does CT scan stand for? You know about CT scan? Correct answer is B. Computerized tomography scan. How did the workman lift the body for the scan? Correct answer is B. On a hydraulic trailer. Next question. Why did the procedure stop in between? Correct answer is as a spare fan stopped working. When was that body taken back in his tomb of the CT scan? B. Correct answer is B. After 3 hours. What is the cemetery of Tut called? 23rd. Correct answer is A. Valley of the Kings. How did Tut die? Correct answer is A. It is mystery. Who said the mummy is in very bad condition because of what Harsha did in 1920s? Correct answer is B. Jahi Hawass. Tut was laid to rest laden with what? Correct answer is C. Gold. When did Tut die? It's very good question. And the correct option is B. Not exact. More than 33,000 years ago. What was Tut lavished with? Correct answer is C. Glittering goods, precious collars, inlays, necklaces, and bracelets, rings, amulets, and ceremonial apron, sandals, sets for his fingers and toes, all of pure gold. How has archaeology changed through the decades? Correct answer is D. Focusing less on treasure and more on the fascinating details of life and mysteries of death. Last question, 30th is who is Osiris? God of nature, God of afterlife, God of seasons, God of universe. Correct answer is afterlife. God of afterlife. Thank you, my all dear. Thank you.